PT. 2. Food. Okay.
Tell them what it has.
It has oranges, like barbecue sauce,
Pepperoni.
candy canes, pepperoni, yeah, applesauce, sour cream, cheese.
French onion dip.
And well, we're
A
gonna.
bunch of other stuff that we forgot.
Yeah.
What was it? What it was called? Okay.
What part do you want me to eat? Do you want me to? I'll get everything.
Okay. Yeah, make sure you get a little bit of everything. Make sure you get some pepperoni too. There's cheese at the bottom.
Cool. I don't like cheese.
Just getting candy cane stuck to my socks walking over here. I don't really like that.
All right. You don't have any candy cane in that.
Listen, after this, you guys are going to go in the bedroom and watch a movie.
Okay.
Okay, we're done.
Wait, did you eat it? Oops.
No.
Okay. Hurry, Jess, we don't have much time. Is it good?
Mm-mm. Oh.
You guys gotta admit though, it doesn't look that bad.
Oh my god, I almost puked. Fancy water.
Fancy water. It actually doesn't look that bad.
Well, it is.
It's really colorful.
Excuse me.
Besides all the brown, but we do have some green and.
I have.
Wow, my hand looks really fat. You've zoomed it in too much.
Oh, it's at 1.
So, well, we're supposed to have it at 0. But, I mean, it looks pretty colorful, doesn't it?
How many minutes do we have left?
Like,
2.